Okay, for this chamomile and honey toner, we are going to need a little bit of brewed chamomile tea, which I have right here. We're going to need some aloe vera gel, witch hazel, and a little bit of honey. I like to start this with your chamomile tea still warm. So I have a little bit here in a separate container, and we're going to use 2 tablespoons chamomile tea. So I have that already measured here. And then the reason I want it warm is because I'm going to add my honey directly to it, and it's going to dissolve in. I'm use 1 teaspoon of honey, and I'm going to put it right here in my chamomile tea, and I'm going to mix it up. If it's still warm, then the honey's going to dissolve in there really easily, which is what you want. You don't want your honey to be clumped up in there. Okay, so now that my honey is dissolved in my chamomile tea, I'm going to pour that in my measuring cup so I can mix the rest of the ingredients in. I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. And 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. This has less witch hazel than my typical toner recipe, which makes it extra great for sensitive skin. I'm not going to add any essential oils to this since it's for sensitive skin. It's got a light scent from the chamomile and the honey, but other than that, I'm just going to leave it as is. So I'm going to fill my jar. Okay, so here's our finished toner. You can see it sprays really easily. Just gonna spray it on. It feels super cooling. It feels really gentle. I love that it doesn't really have much of a fragrance, just a super, super light fragrance from the chamomile tea. So if you're someone that's sensitive to fragrance, this is perfect for you. It's not nearly as astringent as a typical toner because it has a lot less witch hazel. So yeah, this is perfect for sensitive skin.